Tired of boring water? Consider adding a lemon or a lime to it for a refreshing treat. Wow, these intros are top tier, quality A1. Well, speaking of which, my hair. There we go. This is what happens. You turn 40 and you really just don't care what you look like anymore. Hello, I'm SB Mitch. Give me a follow on social media and subscribe to the channel for more mystery beater boxes like this one. Hello, pals. It's Friday. We're opening a box from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. Very good site. These boxes are through a paid membership only program, so you cannot buy them. So I open them for you, even though you never asked. This box was $475 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $525. That's clearance. I was gonna try and like lasso it, but then I realized that's a lot of editing I really don't feel like doing. But that's a counter. You know what counters do in these kind of videos because everyone does it. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. $475. What to expect in this kind of box? Here's last week's box. You can check that out. It was $625 and it was very good. Let's hope this one is too. $425 boxes is probably gonna be one of like a number of different scenarios. A lot of grade school possibly. A lot of older Jordans possibly. A lot of like less hyped Adidas or who knows. These boxes usually don't move fast, but the return on them is just as good as any other ones. So we will see. It's already, I see a bunch of Jordans in here already. Cool. Smells a little bit like cigarette smoke. That sucks. All right, well, this first one, this is the one that smells like smoke. It is a size US men's 9.5. This is an FOAMPOSITE. I forget which colorway this is. I don't know. They're camo. Probably have something to do with that, but yeah, they're in okay shape. They smell a little bit, so I'm definitely gonna be cleaning them really well. Outsoles have just a little bit of wear and some dirt, but the biggest issue with these is they smell like cigarette smoke, which is an easy fix in most cases. So there's your first shoe out, size 9.5. FOAMPOSITE, I don't remember. If you want to buy those or any other shoes in this video, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. All of these shoes should be available for sale unless they sell on Goat first, which is a possibility. There is a Reebok. This is something I would expect to see in a $475 box. It's a size 10 Shack Attack. So these are worn, but they're super lightly worn. A pair of Shack Attacks. This is the, I want to say just like regular Orlando Magic colorway. You do have the pump. And it works. It's so weird. This is gonna take a very specific buyer for this kind of thing, especially in a size 10. It's not the greatest size in the world for this kind of stuff because a lot of older heads really generally like this stuff, and older heads are, I'm being general here, usually like size 11.5 plus. So there you go, size 10, Shack Attack. I don't know what the colorway is called, but it's probably an OG looking colorway. They're in really good shape. Okay, I did see a LeBron. I'm gonna get that because I'm not too knowledgeable on LeBrons. Ugh. Okay, we have a size 10.5 LeBron 9. I have no idea what this colorway is. It's a LeBron 9. If I were to guess, maybe like a green bean type colorway, but it doesn't look like there's like 3M or something like a Jordan 5 would have. It is a like green and carbon fiber and like a smoke gray kind of colorway. A little bit of wear, not too much. A little bit of discoloration from wear too. Not much heel drag or outsole wear in general. Probably an okay basketball shoe, but again, I just don't know a lot about LeBrons because they're just not a shoe I really paid attention to growing up. So there you go, size 10.5, LeBron 9. We'll grab this red Nike box that fell. The box is in not great shape too. Size 10, Dunk High Premium EMB, means embroidered. It's this one. I believe these are called sports specialties. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't know that the side panel, the swoosh, and the vamp, and the ankle collar were all corduroy. That's actually a really cool touch. And the tongue. And the tongue has got a little bit of padding on it too, so it's a little bit different than a normal Dunk High. But it's got this embroidery here on the heel. These are in good shape. This is a pretty cool colorway. I'm not mad at it. Hardly any heel drag, very little star loss on the outsole, which is good. It's a slick looking shoe. Can't really complain about that. And these just came out, so I'm kind of surprised to see them in a beater box already. It does come with secondary white laces too, so cool shoe. There you go. Size, what did I say, 10? Size 10, Dunk High, sports specialties. There are two older Jordans in here, which I will get to last because I like doing those last. But right here we have a size 10 Jordan 5 Retro. We have a 2013 or 2015. I don't remember the exact year. I want to say 2013, but it's a pair of the Oreo 5s. They just did a recent retro of these and called them Moonlight for whatever reason. This is the Oreo 5, or like low pile suede upper. Cages are a little discolored. Outsole is definitely discolored. There is some scuffing on the heel. I mean, this is a shoe that just retroed, so there's probably not a lot of value here, but it's a cool looking shoe. So someone might be able to do something with these. Size 10, comes with lace locks too, both of them. Oreo 5s. I want to say that's a 2013 release. I'm not 100% sure though, so get my years mixed up. That's how you know I'm getting old. Jordan 12 Retro in a size 10. 12s are probably one of the better looking models in my opinion. They are worn. They're in pretty good shape, just a little bit heel drag. I think these are just called University Red. I don't think they're called like Cherry or anything crazy like that, but it's Gym Red, so it's Gym Red, not University. Gym Red 12s. Full jump man in there. I don't know if the light's gonna pick it up, probably not. There is a little bit of sock lint in here. Got a crumpled up paper bag instead of a shoe tree, so that's that. The outsole's a little bit discolored. This is where a problem area for 12s usually is. This isn't too bad. It's a little bit edged off, but good looking shoe though. Size 10, Gym Red 12s. Good looking colorway. All right, cool. The last two in here are older Jordans. They are in the silver Jumpman box, I guess you could say. This is a size 9.5 Jordan 13 Retro. An extremely good colorway. They're definitely worn. The style ID tag is like yellowed to all heck. That's kind of weird. There you go. I think these might be Chicago 13s or, no, these aren't Cherry 13s. These are probably Chicago 13s. Really, really great colorway. I mean, it's kind of OG. It's a combination of OG colors at least. There is film on the hologram still. The suede on the side is not really discolored either. There is a lot of like foam discoloration. Like the tongue seems to be pretty discolored. So there you go. Size 9.5. Good colorway too. Definitely seem to be wearable still too. All right, one more in here. It's another older Jordan. Size 10, Jordan 7 Retro. Is my sound on? Have I been talking this whole time? Yeah, okay, good. Got a lot of discoloration on the mudguard here, but these are the for the love of the game, Jordan 7. It's like an Olympic style colorway, but it does have that heart right there on the heel. There's massive discoloration right here on the mudguard, which is kind of crazy. I might leave it or I might try and get rid of it, but I mean, these are worn not heavily, but heavily enough to be like, yeah, I don't know, but they're definitely wearable. There's just a lot of creasing, a lot of insole wear, and obviously, as I pointed out, this discoloration on the mudguard, but very cool shoe. I had a pair of these a while back and they sold for a good amount, so I don't really think there's a money shoe in this box, but this is probably within the top 3 of the like money shoes of this box. So size 10, for the love of the game, 7 is your last shoe out of this $475 Sole Supremacy beater box. This is exactly what I would expect in a $475 beater box, but let's see what the numbers say for reference. Decent box, I think. Conditionally, these might be a little bit tougher to move than usual, but I really like it. I think this is a really good box. I think there's enough variety in here to make this box have a pretty decent return of probably like 25 to 30%. So, hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they will be available today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my website, and that website can be found by going to sbmitch.com. And before that happens, every pair that is worn will be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products. And if you want to save 10% on your next order of Resjuvenator stuff, use my code at checkout, and that code is SBMitch10. It saves you 10% off the entire shebang-a-bang, which is cool because they do free shipping too, so it's not like you're just saving on shipping, you're actually saving on the entire order. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video because I know you could be doing so many other good things like playing Hitman on Xbox Game Pass, which is what I'm about to be doing for a while. Till next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.